Webflow Portfolio. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and search for webflow.com in the search bar. Log into your account, and if you do not have one, you need to create one first. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to the home page. From there, go to the top right corner and click the New Site option. When the pop-up appears, select the template option. After that, choose the Portfolio Starter template and click it to continue. Once you are on the Templates page, click the Use for Free button to proceed. Wait until your website is ready, then begin editing any part of the template you want to customize. You can change text, images, or anything you want as your unique. When you are satisfied with your design, go to the top right corner of the page and click the Publish button. In the drop-down menu that appears, click Publish to selected domains and wait until the process is finished. After the process is complete, click the arrow icon next to your created link to open your created portfolio.